Here's what you're gonna need for your wellness shots. You're gonna need 2 lemons. I'm using 3 just because I have baby lemons. Make sure it's the juice of the lemon, not the whole lemon. You're gonna want a piece of ginger, about 2 to 3 inches, a tablespoon of turmeric, about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Be careful you don't go too heavy on that. And about a teaspoon of black pepper. This actually activates the turmeric, so the black pepper is important. Then 1.5 cups of liquid, like water or a coconut water. You're gonna put the ginger whole into a blender, and then we'll do the juice of the lemons and then the seasoning, if you will, all just mixed together. As I squeeze the lemons, I'm okay letting seeds go in there, so don't worry about that. I read that the lemon seeds are really rich in antioxidants, and you're gonna blend it anyways, so you can just end up putting the whole thing in there. You just don't want the rind, obviously. All my ingredients are in here, including my water, so now I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, I blended it for probably only about 20 seconds. Make sure the ginger's all blended together. I then take a really fine strainer over a bowl and strain the liquid through into the bowl, not into the sink, be careful. That way everything goes in, except for you can see it leaves a little film. And then I kind of will squish that down so that you get all the liquid. Then all you're gonna do is just load it into whatever storage you wanna put it in. I just use a mason jar because it's easy, just stick a lid on it. And then we just pour about 1 ounce shots every day when we take it. I like taking it in the morning. You could store it in individual containers if you have that as well. But a shot of this is gonna really help with the antioxidants. It's gonna help with inflammation and digestion. And we hope you enjoy. Follow All Mom Does for additional tips, tricks, and inspiration.